Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to check if frequency of all characters can become same by one removal. Given a string which contains lower alphabetic characters, we need to remove at most one character from the string in such a way that frequency of each distinct character becomes same in the string. Let's look at some examples. For the input string XYYZ, then the output will be yes, as we can remove character Y from the above string to make the frequency of each character same. Input string XYYZZ, then output is yes, as we can remove character X from the above string to make the frequency of each character same. Input string XXXXYYZZ, then output is no, as it is not possible to make frequency of each character same just by removing at most one character from the above string. Main thing to observe in this problem is that position of characters does not matter here, so we will count the frequency of characters. If all of them are same, then we are done, and there is no need to remove any character to make frequency of characters same. Otherwise, we can iterate over all the characters one by one and decrease their frequency by 1. If all the frequencies become same, then we will flag that it is possible to make the character frequency same by at most one removal. If frequencies don't match, then we will increase that frequency again and loop for other characters. Now let's look at the implementation. First, let's look at some helper functions. GetIDX function returns the index of the character CH in lower alphabet characters. AllSame function returns true if all the non-zero elements value are same. We run a loop and get the first non-zero element called same, then check the equality of each element with variable same and return false if we find an unequal element. Now let's look at the possible same char frequency by one removal function. Initialize L as length of the string, then we fill the required array. Traverse through the string and for each character do frequency get index string I++. Then if all the frequencies are same, then return true. Now we will try decreasing frequency of all characters by 1 and then check the equality of all non-zero frequencies. We traverse from A to Z, store the index of the character as I, then if the character is present in the string, that is, if frequency of I is greater than 0, reduce its frequency by 1. Then for this new frequency array, if all same function returns true, then we return true, and if not, change the frequency back to its original value by doing frequency of I++, then check for the next character. Finally, return false if it is not possible for any character. The time complexity of this solution is order n, assuming alphabet size is constant. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.